everyone, how are you? Today we are going to understand about cube and cuboid and their surface area. Okay, so as you all know the shape of cuboid. By the name cuboid, we understand that a box like structure, एक box के जैसी shape, like your lunch box, like your books. These are the shapes of cuboid. So let's understand how can we find out the surface area and what is the meaning of surface area of a cuboid. In fact, let me show you. For suppose I have this shape. This is the shape of a box और box की जो shape है, इस shape में 3 dimensions होती हैं. There are 3 dimensions in a box. One is length, one is breadth and one is height. In fact, it is a 3-dimensional figure. ठीक है, तो बॉक्स के जैसी जो शेप होती है इन मैथमेटिक्स हम इसको नाम देते हैं क्यूबॉइड. Okay, so first of all let us understand its dimension and surface area. So in this box, this dimension, this horizontal dimension is length. Okay, this another one, if we imagine this dimension, if we measure this dimension, this is said to be breadth. Okay, and the vertical one, the height, this vertical dimension, this vertical, okay, this is said to be height of the box. So with these 3 dimensions we got a shape of box which is said to be cuboid. Now understand what is the meaning of surface area. As we are saying surface and area, so first of all we have to understand what is its surface. किसी भी cuboid की एक surface means in a box. For suppose you are talking about this surface in front of you. So which 2 dimensions are here? One length and one height. So if we talk about only this surface, so this is the shape of a rectangle. Is clear? And if we talk about upper surface, surface area means we want to find out the area of this upper surface. In this upper surface, only 2 dimensions are here. We have described this one is length and this one is breadth. Okay, so this upper surface is a rectangle. It's clear to everyone. Upper surface rectangle means simple rectangle which is having 2 dimensions, one length and one breadth. So what can we find out its area? Area of upper surface. That will be simple rectangle area, that is length multiplied by breadth. And now students, very interesting, the upper surface is just same as the bottom surface. Okay, so upper one is L into B, bottom also L into B. Now this surface in front of you, 1 dimension length, 1 dimension height, so its area, ये simple rectangle का shape हमें नजर आ रहा है, so its area will be, what its area? L into H, okay, length and height, and same surface at the back also. At the back also 1 dimension length and 1 dimension height. So this surface also we are getting 2 times. Okay, so upper surface L into B, bottom surface also L into B. In the same way 2 surfaces L into H, and now 4 surfaces we have counted. Now this orange colored surface, third one dimension is breadth and 1 dimension is height. Height again, okay. So its area will be B into H. So 2 times these surfaces B into H. So overall, what will be the surface area of cuboid? Students, after understanding that all the surfaces are rectangle, and just count how many surfaces are there. 1 upper surface, 1 bottom surface, 2 this 3 in front of you, and 4 its back, and 5th this one, and 6th this one. Altogether there are 6 surfaces. So 2 times L into B, 2 times B into H, and 2 times H into L. Okay, in this way we got the surface area of cuboid. Now to understand about surface area more clearly, ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझने के लिए let us cut this box और इसका एक open diagram. How this box looks like when we open it. So let's have a look. If you open it, you can see all the surfaces. This surface vertical, and now you can see this surface is rectangle. Okay, so you can observe that all the surfaces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. All the 6 surfaces are rectangle. Okay, and these two surfaces, one dimension L, one dimension H. So this area will be L into H. In the same way, this area also L into H. Okay, this area B into H. Here also B into H. And this bottom surface, जहाँ पे दो dimension थी, in bottom surface one was length and one was breadth. Okay, so what about this area? L into B. Upper surface L into B. Bottom surface, that is also L into B. So altogether surface area of a box. So I hope it is clear now. Surface area of a cuboid. So this formula is used. Now come to the surface area of an open box. Surface area of an open box means one surface is not there. So if we remove one surface, from the box, means one length into breadth is missing. So in case of open box, the structure will be like this. Only 5 surfaces will be there. Bottom L into B and these 4 surfaces with height. Length into height. This area, it's understood, length into height, and this area B into H. In the same way, this also L into H and this also B into H. Okay. So in this situation, we can write surface area of an open box. Open box means write a surface area of all the 6 surfaces. Okay, surface area of 6 surfaces minus L into B. उसमें से हमने एक bottom surface remove कर दिया. So we can write minus L into B. You can write it like this is 2LB minus LB. So only one LB will left with us. Only one bottom surface. Vertically 4 surfaces, 2BH and 2HL. These will remain same. 2BH and 2HL. These vertical one LH, BH, LH, BH. These 4 surfaces will remain same and one L into B. Okay. So in this way also we can write the surface area of an open box. Okay. More simply, we can write surface area of open box. We can write it like 2. Simplify. Just take out this 2 and H. 2 and H common here. So it will be 2L plus B into H plus LB. So these both are the formula for this is the formula for open box and this is also formula for open box. Okay. One more thing, in the cuboid, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral means vertical, or we can say lateral or vertical surface area or area of 4 walls. So in this situation, we will not take bottom area L into B and top area L into B. दोनों ही नहीं लेंगे. We will take the surfaces including height. Okay. So this is twice L into H प्लस ट्वाइस b इंटू h। सिर्फ वर्टिकल हाइट वाली सर्फेसेस हम लेंगे। एनी नेम कैन बी गिवन, लेटरल सरफेस एरिया, vertical surface area or area of four walls. So its formula will be 2l plus b into h. I hope these formulas will be now very clear to you. Okay. Along with this cuboid, let us understand the shape of cube also. So again, in the cube, as you know, length is equals to breadth is equals to height. All three dimensions are equal. So each dimension is further named as side or A we can write. Okay. So as in cuboid, in the same way in cube, cuboid के जैसे cuboid की तरह cube में भी total कितनी surface होती है? Total surface, number of surfaces in cube, these are also 6 surfaces. And interesting thing in cube is each surface, as all the dimensions are equal, so each surface become a square having side A and A. Okay, so its surface area will be 6A square. Okay, and when we will talk about lateral surface area, area of open box, open cubicle, अब हम क्यूब के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So for cube area of open box 5 surfaces होंगी, so this will be 5A square. And what about area of 4 walls for cube? For cube के लिए 4 walls means 4 surfaces, so this area will be 4 square. Okay, so as a conclusion, cuboid length, breadth, height, all 3 dimensions are different, maybe any 2 dimensions are different. Okay, so total surface area 2lb bh hl, and surface area of open box means 5 surfaces, so we can take these 4 surface plus 5th surface, or we can learn in this way, just take the area of 6 surfaces minus LB. Okay, so altogether these are 5 surfaces. Now third thing, lateral or vertical, both the names are given to this, lateral surface area or vertical surface area, or you can say area of 4 walls of the room. So that area is 2l plus b into h. Okay, and same formulas for the cube, as in the cube, length is equals to breadth is equals to height. All 3 dimensions are equal, so each dimension is said to be edge or side and denoted by A. Okay, so total surface area means 6 surfaces area, so 6 into edge square, as each surface in cube, each surface is a square. Okay, so its area A square, so total surface area 6A square, and surface area of the open box means 5 surfaces, so directly find A square, and 4 walls area, that is 4A square. I hope with the help of this explanation and open diagram of a cuboid, these formulas are giving good sense for you, and now these are much better clear to you. In next video we will come with questions based on surface area of cube and cuboid. Till then, stay tuned, enjoy life, enjoy maths, as it's easy.